Senator Bato de la Rosa mas kabado pa raw kay Alice Guo. Ayon sa ilang netizens na paghahalataan daw.
And then, sa pending matter ng executive session, actually, we have a room available pero pumasok din yung request ng counsel ni Guo Huaping na si Attorney David, who is also a resource person na sa next or last hearing na lang. So, kaming, just to update you, kaming mga members ng committee, ready kami to go into executive session now. We have a room available, but in a way, it's also partly your call, no? Handa ka na ba ngayon or sa susunod na hearing pa? Pero ngayon na sana, Miss Alice, Guo Huaping, ako naniniwala ako sa timeliness ng mga bagay-bagay.
Yes, from the Honorable Chair,
Majority Leader.
if we're going to proceed with the executive session, because I made likewise, as per your request during the last hearing, I made available the adjacent office, which is just a few steps away, Madam Chair.
Thank you very much, Majority.
So it is the pleasure now of the committee to have the executive session, or kasi matagal ka na nanghihingi na executive session, Miss Alice. Tuloy na ba ngayon?
Gusto ng komite. What say you?
Your
Guo
Honor,
Huaping?
Madam Chair, I'm very thankful po for the opportunity po. However po, gusto ko po sana kasama po yung counsel ko po, yung lead counsel ko po sana. Request ko lang po.
So sa next and
Opo,
possibly
next po.
last hearing na lang
Opo.
natin.
Wala ba
Wala
yung
lang.
counsel mo?
Wala ba yung counsel nyo
Sino
rito?
yung kinoconsult mo kanina?
Nasa Cebu po sila, darating po sila sa Thursday po.
Sino yung kinakausap mo sa likod mo?
Si attorney ko, hindi nyo ba counsel?
Partner.
Sinong counsel?
Counsel pa niya.
Ni-request ko po si Attorney Stephen po, tsaka si Attorney Avisado po.
Attorney Avisado and
Attorney Stephen David po.
Attorney David.
Madam Chair,
Senator
let us inform the resource person that whatever will be taken up during the executive session, hindi namin yan ilalabas. Hanggang sa committee lang yan. Kaya huwag kang mag-alala. Hindi ka namin dito, hindi kami mga traidor. Kung ano pag-usapan doon sa loob, sa amin lang yan for the consumption of this committee. Kaya huwag kang mag-alala. Then, I'm worried kung bigyan pa natin ng next chance, Madam Chair, baka lalala yung sakit niya, magkakaroon ng medical reasons na hindi na magdating dito. So, mas mabuti ngayon na, nandito na tayo. Baka mamaya, busy na tayo sa budget deliberation, Madam Chair. Next week, wala na. So, let us use this opportunity.
The
That's
chair
all, Madam
adds
Chair.
her advice to that of Senator De La Rosa. Guo Huaping, napapanahon na nandito na yung lugar, ni-reassure kayo muli ni Senator De La Rosa nung assurance ng komite tuwing gagawa kami ng anumang executive session. I really advise you to take advantage of this moment. At kung may bitin pa or nagtyaga nga kami sa mabagal na translation with resource persons na sa tingin naman namin nakakaintindi naman, you may ask Attorney Ko and your other counsels here present to consult with Attorney David kung may tanong ka during the executive session. But I really advise you to take advantage of this opportunity
And Madam Chair,
today.
Madam Chair,
Majority Leader.
kung masama ang pakiramdam niya, yung office ko katabi lang yung clinic pwede rin natin pa-assist sa'yo, Miss Alice, yung mga doktora at doktor doon.
Opo. So, muli, anong say nyo, Guo Huaping?
Madam Chair, okay lang po na makausap ko lang po saglit si Attorney Stephen David.
Please
po.
do that.
Opo.
In the meantime, habang iniintay natin at iba pang mga tao na nasa hall, you may leave now pending yung final decision po namin kung itutuloy yung aming executive session. So, maraming salamat po sa ibang mga resource persons. Yes, the chair reiterates, ang wish ko rin sana ay ituloy na natin ang executive session. Hindi ko pa nasuspend ko na ba? Yes, I suspended already.